Hello traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to sync multiple charts in MT4 or MT5. All right, syncing multiple charts helps traders monitor several instruments or time frames more efficiently. Okay, so the first step is to open multiple charts. Well, currently we can see that I have multiple charts open, right? So you open multiple charts, open the instruments or the time frames that you want to monitor simultaneously. The second step is to arrange the charts. Okay, you can just click on this. Uh, where is it? There ought to be a tile. Okay, or you can just use this. All right. So you click on that minimize, and then you can see your different charts, arranged, all minimized, and then all on this your desktop or window, right, or your device. Okay, then you can just arrange them accordingly, right? You can perhaps, if you want 4 charts to be displayed, you can arrange the charts. Okay, so you can have all 4 displayed simultaneously on your screen. All right, so that you can be able to monitor them at the same time. Okay, so um, if you want to modify anything on a particular chart, you just have to go to that chart, probably right click on it, or any chart that you want to modify, you can just go to that particular chart, right click on it, and make the settings, and of course it's going to be modified on just that particular chart, right? If you want to execute a trade, you can bring down your one-click trading button, and then you can trade on that particular chart. Okay, super easy. All right, your crosshair, okay, you can use your crosshair, all right, to compare price levels across your chart, all of that, right? So each chart where you want to crosshair, you have to tap on it, right? If you tap on this chart, then you can go to your toolbar, and then whatever it is that you want to use. If you want to draw trend lines and all of that, you have to tap on the chart first before making use of any of the tools. Okay, so it's super easy. All right, so now a quick recap for you. To sync charts in MT4 or MT5, you have to open multiple charts, arrange them. Once you've arranged them, then you can apply similar templates if you want, then use your crosshair tool for comparison. Okay, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.